berries.
Yeah, and today we are going to be making slime! First ingredient you got to put in is white Elmer's glue, white school glue, or you can use clear, and shaving cream, food coloring, baking soda, caustic soda solution to make the slime, and containers to store it in. So let's get started!
We're going to be making our slime.
Okay, so let's add some Elmer's glue in.
Okay, so me and Gia are going to put in our food coloring.
I'm gonna do yellow.
I'm going to do blue too. Okay, I'm going to do blue and red.
How do you do it?
Oh, I got it on my arm.
It's okay. Well, I open it.
Oh, no.
Yeah.
I put it in. I'm so clumsy.
Thank you. No, I do it.
Okay.
Only a little bit. Oh. Like
I can't put it in.
Oh,
I threw it.
That's okay. I took the little. It's too little. Keep mixing. Oh my God, so cute.
Okay. I need to wash my hands.
Oh my gosh, I need to wash my hands too.
Me
I feel like I have blood on me. Okay.
Does it come out clean?
My hand's not dirty more.
My hands are Okay, I'm gonna mix.
It's turning pink.
Mine's
It's turning. Mine's
to
turning yellow. Mine's turning blue.
Mine's just turning a little purple.
Mine's
Mine's
turning really blue.
Mine's
Not
just
light
light pink.
Mine's just. I'm just gonna mix it.
Pretty, that's pretty.
I feel like this is frosting. I want to eat
But
it.
you make-
oh my God,
make
my
it
hands. Okay, I'm gonna make some.
That's what I add now.
Wait. No, can you see? Oh God, oh God.
Oh, wait, no, come on, it's so strong.
I know. Maybe he likes us.
Okay, it's time to put baking soda in it.
Can you put mine in?
Here. I'll put Rarity's.
I do it myself. Oh,
This
God.
should be really-
Mine is so pretty.
Oh, I got
Look at mine.
Oh, yeah, it is. Me?
Yeah. Mine too.
Ew.
Look at mine.
Yeah,
My
ew.
slime. My slime. Okay.
How about mine?
What's mine?
Yeah, yours is
No, I do myself. I do
Mine's
myself.
just like a purple.
Well,
Not too
Lace-
much.
Lace is pretty too.
I'll do myself.
Thank you. Oh my gosh, sticky.
Oh my god. Don't take over green.
Now let's see if the juice gonna mix.
It's forming.
It's forming.
I need more. It's getting really thick. I think it's time for me to mix with my hands.
How about me?
Oh my god.
No.
Mine's is still foamy.
Okay.
Okay, I'll need more.
Woo! It's so funny. It's so funny.
Okay, somebody add more.
I need my dad's
Oh,
help.
you're supposed to use one hand only and keep one hand clean. Thanks. Thanks. Okay, that's
I
nice.
need more.
Already needs more. Mine's just two.
Mine's
Mine's
is
like so